ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಕಣೆ.
ಪಾಪ
ಹೌದು,
ಅವ್ಳು ಟ್ರಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾಳೆ.
ಟ್ರಕ್ಕಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ನೋಡು, ಅಷ್ಟು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯವ್ರ ತರ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ನೋಡಕ್ಕೆ, ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ?
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ.
ನೀವು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು. 100 ಜುಟ್ಟು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಸುಧಾರಿಸಬಹುದು, 2 ಜಡೆನೋ.
You guys don't have pickup trucks in India?
No, I think it's very rare. ನೀನ್ ಈ ತರದ ಟ್ರಕ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ನನ್ನ ಡ್ರೈವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು
ಆದಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ. मैं रैश ड्राइविंग नहीं करने वाली.
If we had more people, just flip this up.
Oh my god.
ಟೂರಿಗೆ ನಡೆ ಏರಿ ಮರಿ.
ಯಾವ ಮರಿ?
ಆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಒಳಗೆ ತಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಪ್ಪ.
ಉಡ್ಸಿದ್ಯಾರೋ?
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡು.
Yeah, more dream catchers.
More dream catchers.
More dream catchers.
Prison? Oh, okay. I have never seen.
ನನಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೀಪ್ ಅನಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಥೋ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಈ ತರದೆಲ್ಲ ಇದಾರೆ ಜನ.
The only places in the world where you can go skiing in the morning and then go lay on the beach in the afternoon.
ನಮ್ಮ ಕೆನಡಾ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಜೊತೆ ಫಾಲ್ ನೋಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ.
ಅವರೇ ಕರೆದಿದ್ದ ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯ.
ಹೌದು, ಅವರೇ ಕರೆದಿದ್ದು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರದ್ದೊಂದು ಟ್ರಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ನಾವು ಟ್ರಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದ್ಸಲನು ನೋಡಿ.
But the truck?
Yeah, this is truck only. Yeah.
This is a pickup truck.
Pickup truck.
It's a
Yeah.
4x4 pickup truck, F-150.
Wow.
Look at the tires there.
Yeah, I'll show it. Oh my god, this truck, this is the first time we are going.
You can get the whole thing.
I know.
You guys don't have pickup trucks in India?
No, I think it's very rare.
Yeah.
Very rare.
Yeah.
Well, this one's old. Look, it's falling. This thing's falling up.
But this is like a wow. This
It's
Tire-
a pretty big truck.
ಟೈರ್ ನೋಡ ಶೈಲಿ.
ಟೈರ್ ನೋಡಿ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ.
ಆಲ್ ದ ವೇ.
Oh my god.
ಇಷ್ಟಿದೆ.
ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ ಸ್ವರ್ಣ, ಒಂದಿನ ನೀನ್ ಈ ತರದ ಟ್ರಕ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ನನ್ನ ಡ್ರೈವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು
ಆದಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ.
ಆದಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ. Let's go then. It's a girls day today.
Girls stay in the pickup truck. We're going back roading.
Yeah, back roading.
Back roading in Mission.
Oh, what is back roading?
It just means back roads.
Back roads. Okay.
Back roads, so not the main roads.
Okay.
Right where we're going to turn to go to the waterfall. If you go straight, it's called off-roading because it's like that's when it turns into dirt roads.
Oh wow.
So you can go way back in the dirt roads. But we're not going to do that today. We're just going to take the back roads to the waterfall.
Oh,
wow,
nice.
that's nice.
Maybe next time we'll go off-roading.
Yes.
Yeah, it's a beautiful sunny day.
It is.
Yeah.
I know, I'm so happy.
Yeah,
Okay.
I know.
You can
Let's
see
go.
Oh yeah, Asha will sit in the front.
You guys are looking so nice today. Yeah.
Wow. ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಪೇಸ್,
So big,
leg
right?
room,
They-
It's like a
everything.
limo back there.
But
This
Anni?
is so spacious.
Yeah.
It's like as if like somebody can sit down.
Oh,
Yeah.
You know what? You can even flip this up, and it's another seat.
Oh, really?
Yeah, like if we had more people, just flip this up.
Oh my god.
Put one more person here.
It's like 3-seater in the front. I never seen this.
Yeah, so we could fit 6 people in here if we wanted to.
Oh, so ನೀನ್ ಈ ತರದ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ.
Front ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
So much space in the back, so nobody's uncomfortable.
Yeah, I know. This is like so much space in the back. See?
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೀಟ್ ಬೆಲ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳೇಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಆಶಾ? ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ.
ಹಾಕೋ.
How do I put it back?
3, 2, 1. Go, cheese! Let's go! Otherwise, it's just 2-wheel.
Yeah, so right now it's in 2-wheel. When you're just driving around town, you just need the 2 front wheels, pushing the car.
Okay.
And then once you get into the off-roading, so that you don't get stuck and so that it's more control on the dirt roads.
Oh, okay.
Put it into 4-wheel drive, and all 4 wheels are going.
Wow.
So like if the 2 front wheels get stuck, the back wheels will push you out.
Push you. Oh, wow. That's nice. But this truck is so spacious.
Yeah.
I know. It's
So, na say something.
Comfortable.
ಬೇಕಾ ಈ ಟ್ರಕ್ಕು?
ನೋಡೋಣ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದಿನ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ.
ಹೌದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡು.
yeah, more dream catchers.
More dream catchers.
More dream catchers.
Spring gonna be so beautiful
Oh
here.
my gosh, it's so gorgeous. When all the trees are blooming and all the flowers are coming up and the birds are everywhere, it's amazing.
Yeah, that's so
I love spring.
You love spring?
I love spring.
Okay.
Spring in BC.
Yeah.
This is going to be your second spring here, right?
Yes.
And we have so many places to go for rivers and lakes and like the waterfall and
We should ask Brody once for fishing.
This is Riverside College.
Oh, college?
Yeah, that's Riverside College. So it's just our small community college.
Oh wow. You know what? This is not even looks like it's within a city we have this kind of
View ನೋಡಕ್ಕ.
ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಸ್ವರ್ಣ ನಾನು ಅದೇ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಈ ಮನೆಗಳು ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ನೋಡು
This whole complex here is brand new. Like they just built all.
Oh, these are individual houses.
Yeah, these are all brand new housing complex in here.
Oh wow. Okay.
And then on the left side up here, this is the entrance to the prison.
Oh, prison? Okay, ಸ್ವರ್ಣ prison ನೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ Wow.
So it's I think it's a minimum security prison.
Okay.
I have to listen to my voice all the time because it's so annoying.
No, it's not. Because even for me, Swarna's voice is good whenever I
Yeah.
watch videos. And now your voice is good. But my voice is bad, I feel.
See, and I like your voice.
Oh, really?
Yeah, like 'cause my voice, I feel like it's so high pitched and like nasally,
Oh my
and like
God.
yours is like a little bit like deeper and almost a little bit raspy, which is kind of sexy.
Oh, like this Vancouver. I think it's BC or Vancouver. It's
Yeah.
such a beautiful place.
Yeah, it is.
And it has everything. You name it. Like falls, ocean,
Yes.
mountains, snow. Everything is there
I
here.
know. It's one of the only places in the world where you can go skiing in the morning and then go lay on the beach in the afternoon.
Wow. That's so nice.
True, and there's certain times of the year when you can do that.
Yeah.
Great.
Wow. Even in Ireland, you might get more spots like that. Right?
Oh, Vancouver Island is unreal.
Yeah, I've been to Bowen Island.
Bowen Island?
Yeah, that is very private. I mean, every house has their private beach and all those things.
Yeah, Bowen Island is lots of rich people.
Yeah, lots of rich people.
Yeah,
Yes.
most of the other islands, there aren't as many rich people.
Swarna, road ಹೆಂಗ್ maintain ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ
This
ನೋಡು.
hill is called Frog Hill.
Frog Hill? Why?
There's even big frogs painted on the road. I'm not sure why. I think it has something to do with breeding season. When
Oh.
there's like a certain time of the year. Here's a big frog.
Oh,
On the road?
Yeah, see it? Painted on the road?
On the road, yes.
So the breeding season for the frogs, for some reason at certain time of the year, they all come and they're all over the road.
oh,
There's just like thousands of frogs everywhere.
when is it?
I'm not sure. That's the thing. I've never seen it.
People are living, having a house here is, I think they are blessed.
So blessed. Yeah.
Yeah. ಸೊ ಈ ತರ ಮನೆ ಕಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ವ್ಯೂ ನೋಡಿ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ and there's so much empty land ಅವ್ರ ಮನೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ
That's farms.
yeah
Old farmlands. Yeah.
yeah
ಅದನ್ನ ತೆಗಿಯೋ
ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡೋಗ್ಲಿ ಫೋನ್ I don't know what to capture here. It's everything is so beautiful.
I know.
These
You don't know where to
mountains.
look.
Yeah, where to look. Yeah.
Dean, and she's too...
You know what? Tell me one more time. You wanna go with girls, right? Because every time I ask anybody here, oh no, I wanna come with my kids. I wanna come with my
No,
husband. I
I
was like,
love-
no. You tell me that you wanna come with girls.
I love going out on day trips and girls trips because
girls trips.
my daughter is 15 now and she's too cool to hang out with me.
Yeah, I know.
And so when she was little, I used to take her everywhere and we'd
Yeah.
go on little adventures every day. And now she doesn't ever want to go with me.
ಸ್ವರ್ಣ ನೋಡಿದ ನಂತರನೇ ಒಬ್ರು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡೋರು ಇದಾರ
Summer to go out for a hike or something.
Oh yeah, there's so many places to hike.
you have to come with us for one hike.
My waterfall.
This is the best thing here, trust me.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are enjoying. ಸೊ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಅನಿಸ್ತಿದೆ
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿಸ್ತದೆ ಕ್ವೈಟ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಮಿಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ
ಯಾರೋ ಮಿಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ she's missing somebody like no mommy mom
Yeah.
no food, no packing.
No.
Yeah.
Grab your purse and go.
Yeah, this is like girls going out. Just grab your purse, come and sit.
ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಮ್ಮ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ಅಮ್ಮ ನೀರ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಮ್ಮ ಸೂಸು
So now just like she's living that 20s life.
She's life, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Single life.
Single life.
For one day.
Yeah, for one day.
When you have children and after like postpartum, after you have the baby, totally different experience. Here, everything's just normal. You just happen to be pregnant. You still work. You still eat what you were eating before. Mostly, I mean, you stop drinking coffee or raw fish or something like that. But for the most part, you're still doing your normal life, and then you have your baby.
Correct.
And you're expected to just live your normal life after.
Yeah, but in India, yeah, you're true, because we have specific foods to eat and we have to follow the diet and all those things. But I seen like here, people just get back to normal after delivery.
Yeah, you just carry on with your life.
Yeah.
Like your entire body didn't just change.
Yeah, that's
those
true.
pretty dogs.
I don't know, from nowhere, they're just like going on a walk in this
They're just
forest.
walking,
Yeah,
They probably live up the road.
I know. That's so cool.
Well, you could probably see people riding their horses up here too.
Oh, okay. I think, yeah, there is a horse ride signboard there.
Yeah, right here.
Yeah.
It's for the cars to be careful
Oh, okay.
of people riding their horses.
Wow.
Because horses get spooked easy too, so you want to go slowly and give them lots of space.
Lots of space, right?
Average house out here on property, I mean, you're paying like $1 million, $2 million.
Yeah.
Easy.
It all happened like after COVID. Before that, it wasn't this crazy, I
That
believe.
big new house.
Yeah, they're building now.
Wow, that's a big house.
That's a big house, I know. ಸ್ವರ್ಣ, ನಾನಂತೂ ನನ್ನ ಡ್ರೀಮಲ್ಲೂ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಈ ತರ ನಾವು 3 ಜನ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ. ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಬಂದಾಗ ಮಳೆ ಬಂದು ವಾಪಸ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಇವಾಗ
ನಿನ್ ಮಗ ಗಡ ಗಡ ಅಂತ
ಗಡ 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 ಅಂತ ನಡಗಿ ನಾನು ಅಣ್ಣ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದು ಗೊಜ್ಜೆ ನೀರಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಓಡಾಡಿ ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡು ಈ 3 ಜನ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ
ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಯಾರೋ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಕಣೆ.
ಪಾಪ
ಹೌದು.
ಅವ್ಳು ಟ್ರಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾಳೆ.
ಟ್ರಕ್ಕಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಂದು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ನೋಡು, ಅಷ್ಟು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯವ್ರ ತರ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ನೋಡಕ್ಕೆ, ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಇದು ಕ್ಯಾಸ್ಕಡೆ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್. So are we going straight or we can take this road? Oh, this way is good actually. Yeah.
So it's in the summertime,
Like
this is actually a logging road. You can walk all the way up on top of the falls, and then there's lots of little trails that go down to the river.
Okay.
So before the fall comes down, there's places that you can go and hang out on the river.
Wow.
This is
So
river
that's
too.
where some of the locals
Is
go
it
and
river or
Oh, wow, nice.
river too? What is this?
ಅದನ್ನ ತೋರ್ಸಶ.
Yeah, it's a glacier river.
Oh, glacier river. Okay.
So it comes down from the mountains. The water is very, very cold and very, very clear.
I can hear the sound.
ಸ್ವರ್ಣ ಮುಂದೆ ಬಾರೆ, ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ?
Wow.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗೆ. It looks so good. Hey Swarna.
So it's just a little baby hike.
Baby hike.
It's a baby hike.
ಸ್ವರ್ಣ, ಇದು ಬೇಬಿ ಹೈಕ್ ಅಂತೆ.
Wow.
ಸ್ವರ್ಣ ಮೈಸೂರಿಂದ ಕೆನಡಾಗ್ ಬಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗರ್ಲ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಣ್ಣನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀಯಾ?
ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
ಆ
ಇದು ನೋಡು,
ಪಾಚಿನ ಮಳೆ ಬಂದು ಬಂದು ಪಾಚಿ ಕಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನೆ. It's so beautiful.
I like these things on the trees, the green ones. Moss. It's called moss.
Moss.
Okay.
I don't know what.
Hey girls.
There's different kinds of moss, but yeah, when it hangs off the branches like that, it's so cool, hey?
Yeah.
You know, it's so beautiful. So na ee tara forest.
Which one? This one?
ಎಷ್ಟು ಎತ್ತರ ಇದೆ ಮರ. ಹೋಯ್ತು ಸಣ್ಣ, ನಿನ್ನೇ ನೋಡ್ಕೊ, ಹಂಗೇನೆ ತಿರುಗ್ಸ ಈ ಕಡೆಗೆ.
Okay, ಬಾ.
ಏನು ಸಣ್ಣ, ಹೆಂಗ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತದೆ ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರಿಪ್?
ಕುಪ್ಪೆಂದು ಕನ್ನಡ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಇಂತ ರುಚಿ ಬೇರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಒಪ್ಪಿಕೊಂಡೋರು ದಡ್ಡರಲ್ಲ.
ಹುಡುಗಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ.
She's dancing.
Oh, you want to dance with me? Yeah, come on. Yeah, like this. So, you know what? I'll teach you. You know, we have to watch this. There is a very trendy song in Kannada. Sorry, in India. I'll show you the steps. You have to teach me.
It's like a TikTok dance?
Yeah, that's correct.
I'm so bad at those.
What is TikTok dance? TikTok. Like this. What is that song? Durandar. ಅದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದರ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಶರಣ.
ಬಾನಲಿ ಬದಲಾಗೋ ಬಣ್ಣವೇ ಭಾವನೆ.
ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಲೈಫ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಚಿಕ್ಕದು. ಎಲ್ಲಾ ದಿನಾನು ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನೋ ಒಂದ್ ಮೆಮೊರಿನ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ನೀವು ಅಂತಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಪಾಠ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿನಾ?
ಹೌದು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಆಯ್ತಾ?
ಈ ತಾತಂಗೆ ನಡಿಯಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಆಶಾ. ನಮ್ ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ತಾತಂಗೆ.
ಹೌದಾ?
ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ ನೋಡು.
ಹೌದು, ಆ ತಾತನ್
ನೋಡೋಶ ಇದು. ವಾವ್. ಓ ಆಶಾ, she's taking picture.
ಓ ಸಾರಿ.
Zero civic sense, bhai. Zero civic sense.
ಓ ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಮುಗ್ಸಲ್ಲ.
ಅಜ್ಜಿ ನನ್ ಮುಖ ನೋಡ್ತೋ. ಗಿಡ್ಡಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ನಿಂಗೆ.
ಅಜ್ಜಿಗೆ ಇಬ್ರು ಕೂರ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ತೆಗಿಸ್ಬೋದಿತ್ತ?
ವಾವ್,
ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ?
ಮುಗಿಲ ಹೆಗಲ ಮೇಲೇರಿ ತೇಲುತ್ತಿದೆ ಹೃದಯ ಮಡಿಲ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಎದೆ ಬಾಗಿ.
ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ಗೂ ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಏನ್ ಟ್ರೀ? ಪೈನ್ ಟ್ರೀಯಾ? ಕೇಳೋಣ ಏನ್ ಟ್ರೀ ಅಂತ.
Do you know the name of these trees?
Pine Sidara.
Is it Sidar? Okay.
ಫಾರ್ ಓಕೆ, ಫೈನ್ ಓಕೆ. ನಾ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋಂತಹ ಅಬ್ಬಿ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ನೋಡು. ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ನೋಡೆ.
Wow.
ಸ್ವರ್ಣ, ಲುಕ್ ಅಟ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ನೋಡು ಸ್ವರ್ಣ.
Look, we're gonna go on the bridge too.
ಓ ಯಾ, ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. So yeah, you have to dance now.
Wait, what's the dance?
Yeah. I'll show you. So now ಅಲ್ಲೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಇಂದ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಸಣ್ಣಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ. Oh God. ರಿಯಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಂದು ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು ಸ್ವರ್ಣ ಇದನ್ನ. ಈ ಕಡೆ ನೋಡೆ.
ನೋಡ್ದೆ ಇರಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡ. ವಾಟರ್ ಕಲರ್ ನೋಡಿ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಮರಾ, ಗೋಪುರ. ಅವ್ನು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋದು ಗೋಪುರ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ನಿಂಗೆ? ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಅವನು. ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆಯಿಂದ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಲ್ಲಿ, ಅದು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾ 360 ಏನೋ ಅಂತಾರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ.
The one which he is recording is a 360-degree camera. He's going all the way like this. Maybe it comes like a globe or something. Yeah.
ಸ್ವರ್ಣ, ನಿನ್ನ ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ ಬಾರೆ.
Hanging bridge.
ವಾಟ್
When you're in a relationship with someone, you put the date and you put your initials.
Okay.
And then you lock it onto the bridge.
Wow, it's for long lasting.
You lock it here, and then eventually there's lots and lots and lots.
Wow, that's nice. Yeah, it's like a love lock.
It's like a love lock.
Yeah, I know. ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಓ ಮೈ ಗಾಡ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರೆಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಆ ಫಾಲ್ ಇಂದ ಬರೋದೆಲ್ಲ ನೀರು, ವಾಟರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಈ ಕಡೆನೂ ಹಾರ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ತರ ಇದೆ ಇದು.
I can see the rainbow there. I know, isn't it so cool? Because the sun's shining in. Yeah.
ನಿಜಾನು ಎಷ್ಟು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಲಲ್ಲ, ಅಷ್ಟು ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ನಮ್ ಸ್ವರ್ಣ ಕೈಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಓಡೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ ಎಲ್ಲೋ. ಸ್ವರ್ಣ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲವ್ ಲಾಕ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇತ್ತು ಗೊತ್ತಾ ನಿಂಗೆ? ಅವಳು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ಲು ಅದೇ ರಿಲೇಶನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋರು ಯಾವ ಡೇ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತ.
And you put the date.
Date and then you lock it.
And you put a lock on there for it's like a wow. There's a rainbow there.
Where? Here.
Yeah, there it is.
Oh my God.
It's cold here.
Yeah, I can see the rainbow here.
Is it?
Swarna, ಇಲ್ಲಿ rainbow.
Oh yeah. Oh my God.
Yes. Even rainbow nu ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ನೋಡಕ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಇವತ್ತು. Oh my God. You know what? You guys have to dance here.
And the splash water.
Flash
is
ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ
coming.
water.
Yes.
Yeah, I'll show you the steps.
Yeah, you dance.
No, ನಾನು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇಡ್ತೀನಿ. No, I'm putting the stand and keeping the phone. We all three are dancing in the water. No, ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ನಡೆ. Okay. I'll show you. Okay. ಸ್ವರ್ಣ ತಗೋ ಇಡ್ಕೋ.
Catch the rainbow.
This is so nice. ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಿರ್ಗೆ. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Hey, bare. Flexibility ಬೇಕು ತಾನೆ. Okay, 3, 2, 1. It's so good, right? ಸ್ವರ್ಣ ನಿಜಾನು ಸಕ್ಕತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿಲಿ. ನಾ ಹೇಳ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡು.
Yeah. Wow. It's so nice.
You have to come with me. You teach me some steps from the.
Oh, no, your face is not visible.
ನಾನು ABCD ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಂಗೆ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Yeah, I know. We need to learn some dance.
ಅವಳ ಮುಖನೇ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಆಶಾ.
ಉಪ್ಪಿಗಿಂತ ರುಚಿದೆ. Are you okay?
Yeah.
No, late. ಬಾರೆ ಓಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನನ್ ಗ್ರಿಪ್ಪೇ ಹಿಡ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ.
ಬೊಗಸೇಲಿ ಹಿಡಿದು ನಿನ್ನ ಮುದ್ದಾದ ಈ ಮೊಗವನ್ನ ನೋಡುತ್ತ ಹಾಗೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಕಣ್ಣಲ್ಲೇ ಕರಗೋ ಆಸೆ.
ಏನಿದು ಲವ್ ಲಾಕ್?
ಲವ್ ಲಾಕ್ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಡೇಟ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡು.
ಓಕೆ.
ಅವ್ರ ಲವ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ 10 ಅಕ್ಟೋಬರ್ 25 ಆಗಿದೆ. ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದಿದೆ.
ಇವಾಗ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇನ್ನು ತುಂಬಾ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರ ಲವ್ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಈ ಲಾಕ್ ತರ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ.
ಹೌದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ ಆಶಾ
ಗ್ರಿಪ್ ನೋಡಿ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ. ಹೌದು, ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ನೀನ್ ಹಂಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಜಾರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಈ ತರ ಗ್ರಿಪ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಇವಾಗ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಹಂಗಾರೆ ಲೇಕ್ ಹತ್ರ.
ಹೋಗೋಣ.
ನಡಿ.